Hello? Watch myself get tortured? We're back at snoring. This is basically just back to back. I'm just like uploading a video and wait, what? Okay. This actually works. I'm going to LOL laugh out loud. Oh my gosh, is that literally all it took? Hey! Okay, that was kind of uncalled for. Thanks, lag. Why do we even have a second zebra? I just got him with the first one. Thank you for making it easier one. Oh. Oh, come on. Really? Okay, are you kidding me? Hey! Not funny. I mean, it's a little funny, but I mean, it's not entirely funny. Yes! Just... Thank you. What is wrong with this game? It's so laggy. No. Are you kidding me? Oh, actually, it's not that bad. I hate launching penguins. Remember in the last episode? I hated penguins. And guess what? If this takes so long, I'm gonna hate penguins again. How does that even work? Okay. I'm doing everything right. Okay. I'm hitting him though. Oh my gosh. Why is it making all these weird sounds? Well, Nathan, turn that down, please. Oh my gosh.
Why not that rock music?
Okay, seriously though? Is something going on? Wait, what did I guess I clicked it by accident. Now you're just wasting my time.
Did you say you hit the boogers?
No. Okay, what is wrong with this game?
I don't know.
I have okay. I can only think of one more thing left to do. That's not even the case. Oh my gosh. I think they literally just made a level that's impossible. Oh my gosh. 1 sec. Yeah. Yeah. You see it, I see it. I went at this the whole another wrong way. Instead of launching the penguin, you're actually supposed to get, like you see over here, I don't know. Like, yeah, you see over here? It's like, this actually is a zebra. Instead of the zebra launching the penguin up, what you're supposed to do is, you're actually supposed, okay, so you're supposed to move the zebra, which I did. Then, you're supposed to tap the other owl, make the penguin go fly, make the zebra jump, and have the penguin push the zebra. And then the zebra would jump and hit the penguin. So, I mean, People, I mean, I don't think that was a fun... Hey! Cheater!
I got some rotten hot dogs.
No! Wow. Oh, wait, no, I realized what the problem is. Hey! Hey! What the heck? That doesn't make any sense whatsoever. What the heck? That isn't even funny. I mean, it is a little, but... There we go. Okay, and you can see, well, we're already 6 minutes in the video. Oh, great. Okay, like, yeah, okay. We are at level 34. There's 35 levels in this game. Okay, that kind of went around. Oh, wait, actually, I just realized I could do something. No! Oh my gosh. And then, you know, I know it's supposed to be with the pig thing, but I mean, that's what I was gonna do, but then I realized I accidentally hit replay and then that happened. Okay. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. What the heck? Okay, take it. What? Oh, okay. I just executed a penguin. Ah! Oh my gosh, what the heck? Game is so laggy. Dang it, okay. I just found a shortcut to beat the game. I didn't even need this owl, this pig, this cow. I don't need you. Son? Or, you know. Okay. Boys. Okay, I don't care. Ah! His snap is... Okay. Be prepared for next episode. Yeah, okay. I'll just stop it at 10 minutes. Okay. So yeah, my name is OP Minecraft Man. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Band-Aid. There we go. So yeah. Please make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel. Hopefully this will be pretty nice series. It'll go good. But yeah, my name is OP Minecraft Man. Oh yeah, I already said that. Oh yeah, please have an amazing day. A snowy day. Either today, tomorrow, whenever it is. If it's snowing, then have an amazing snowy day. But yeah, bye. Wait. Again with trying to exit, end video with the mouse. Bye.